In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and name a reference plane in Revit. Reference planes are the invisible rulers of your model. They guide alignment, control geometry, and help you keep your design organized. Giving them clear names makes your project easier to navigate, especially as it grows in complexity. Let's walk through the simple process of selecting a reference plane and assigning it a meaningful name. Start by choosing a view where the reference plane is visible. This can be a plan, section, or elevation, whichever makes the most sense for the plane you want to work with. Move your cursor over the reference plane line in that view and click it to select. You'll know it's selected when it highlights and the selection grip points appear. If multiple elements are close together, take a moment to hover and confirm that you're clicking the reference plane, not a nearby wall, grid, or line. Zooming in slightly can help with accuracy. With the reference plane selected, look over to the Properties palette. This palette shows information about whatever you've selected, so it's a good way to verify you're working with the right element. You should see reference plane indicated at the top of the palette. If you click away and the palette changes, simply reselect the plane to bring its properties back into view. Within the Properties palette, look for the field labeled Name. This is the parameter that lets you assign a descriptive label to the plane. Naming isn't just cosmetic, it helps you find and reuse the plane for constraints, dimensions, and alignments later on. It also improves collaboration, so others on your team immediately understand the purpose of that plane. Click into the name field and type a clear, concise label that reflects its role. Good examples include centerline of facade control or grid alignment. Keep your naming consistent across the project. A useful approach is to describe what the plane controls and, if relevant, the location or direction. Short, readable names are easier to spot in lists and dialogues, and they reduce confusion when you're setting constraints or aligning elements. Once you've entered the name, press Enter to commit the change. That's it. You've selected a reference plane, checked its properties, found the name parameter, and given it a descriptive title. As a quick recap, select the reference plane in a suitable view, check the Properties palette, locate the name parameter,